Okay, guys, welcome to the Peep Show. We are Monday, the 16th of March 2020. Sylvain Loganadin with you today for a new live. So basically today the title of the show is "The Fed Can Save the Markets Anymore." So as you know, the Federal Reserve in America just lowered its interest rates to zero. So basically, we have zero interest rate policy in the United States after having raised the interest rate during the last few years. The Fed just moved back and just cut the interest rate. The Federal Reserve also injects a lot of liquidity onto the bonds market. So the bond market just exploded today, and we've seen like a drop of 34% of the interest rate on the U.S. Treasury bonds. So basically, the 2, the 5, the 10, and the 30 years maturity Treasury bonds. What is going to be expected for the next few days? So that's the question we can ask ourselves. So look at the chart and look at what we have just right here. We just began the trading session with a market that went lower, a market that just lost 7%, a market that that lost 5% just before opening. When we opened, we lost 7%. The first circuit breaker was just it, and now. What do we expect? Okay, the next circuit breaker is at minus 13%. We are at minus 8%, so we still have 5% more before the market just closes again for a 15 minutes time period. What is important to see is that the market is trying to stabilize itself around this level. So we are dangerously approaching the 20,000 points support level. So this is not something that we will see every day. The market just ignored basically all the bullish information we had at the end of last week, and the market just ignored what the Fed did. So basically, we have no the Federal Reserve has no more bullets to try to hold the market and to try to save the market, and this is what we have right now. So we have a market that is bearish, and also if you are looking to, for example, play this I'll say downtrend or whatever on the market, if you are looking to, for example, sell the Dow Jones and try to create a strategy that will secure your trade very quickly, we can do it, for example, through Arya. So basically, if we are willing to sell, for example, the Dow Jones right now, and for example, as you can see here, what we've done, we sold the Dow Jones at this level. So basically, we entered the Dow Jones with the gap right now, and now on that precise trade we have activated a few modes. So I will just show you the parameters we chose for this trade. So basically we were and we went very conservative on that trade. So basically we are just risking 0.25% of our equity on that trade. We have a stop loss based on the volatility, and that volatility is set on XXL for now, because we believe that the market is very volatile, and we have a profit factor of 2. Okay, we have also added a trading mode. That trading mode is the break-even trading mode. So basically, when the market just move and achieve 20% of our take profit level, we have our stop loss that will come at break-even and will securize our trade. So basically, if the market just touches this this line, so this purple line, the stop loss that is right now here will come here, okay, and will securize the trade, etc. So that's one way of, for example, automating your trade and entering on that precise market. So yeah, guys, so basically, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the Wheel of Arya World Facebook group. You can also reach us on YouTube directly in the comment section. The market is going down, and the next circuit breaker is at minus 13%. So basically, we are waiting. We are waiting for the market to go at that level. We definitely have some strong support level here, so this is something that we will have to monitor during the next few trading sessions. See you guys and have a nice evening.